LBA 79. The pth term of an arithmetic progression is Q. So pth term is Q. Qth term is P. Prove that rth term the progression is P plus Q minus R. So A pth term. So A P is equal to Q. A cube is P. We know A n formula, A plus n minus 1 into D. So A P means A plus P minus 1 into D. A P means Q. Q is equal to A plus P minus 1 into D. We know AP formula, right again. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. AQ is equal to A plus Q minus 1 into D. AQ means P. A plus Q minus 1 into D. Now consider this one as equation 1, this one as equation 2. Now subtract equation 2 from 1. So Q minus P. Q minus P. Subtract 2 from equation 1. So first equation Q, subtract 2 P. So A plus P minus 1 into D minus of A plus Q minus 1 into D. So write Q minus P as it is. A plus P minus 1 into D, multiply. So first multiply D with Q1 minus 1. DQ minus D. So here also A plus PD minus D. Minus, multiply minus. Minus into plus minus A. Minus into plus minus DQ. Minus into minus plus D. Q minus P, right as it is. Q minus P. Now cancel plus D minus D. Plus A minus A. Now PD minus QD. QP is equal to, take D common, P minus Q. So Q minus P is equal to D divided by P minus Q. D is equal to, take minus common, this minus become plus P, this plus Q become minus Q. So write denominator as it is, P minus Q. Cancel each other. You will get a D is equal to minus 1. Now substitute value of D is equal to 1 in any of the equation, 1 or 2, that's your wish. Q is equal to A plus P minus 1 into D. Q is equal to A, P minus 1, D value minus 1. Q is equal to A plus, write as it is, minus 1 into P minus P, minus into minus plus 1. Q A minus P plus 1. Q minus plus P minus 1 is equal to A. We got the value of A. We have to find out A rth term is P plus Q minus R. A rth is equal to A plus R minus 1 into D. A R is equal to, A means Q plus P minus 1 plus R minus 1 into minus D. A R is equal to Q plus P minus 1 multiply minus 1 minus 1 with R. You get a minus R plus 1. Q plus P minus 1 minus R, plus into minus minus, so plus into plus plus. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Q plus P minus R. A R is equal to Q plus P minus R. We got the same answer.